Welcome everybody. Hope your 12th standard examinations have gone well, and you may be preparing for the NEET examination, and hope last 2 years you have been working on the physics, chemistry, biology subject. Now this is the time where the 3 hours of the NEET exams, which is going to shape your future, is going to be the most critical moments of your life. So last 2 years of efforts will be tested. But many of you may not be knowing that cracking the NEET exams is not only the physics, chemistry, biology is important, but also the examination strategies, which are going to be very, very critical. And we have for many, many years has been conducting the NEET Strategy Workshops. These are the workshops which are almost around 5 to 6 hours workshop during the day. So we are having on the 9th of April from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. What we are going to cover is the most critical component of the NEET examination. The first point which most of the students struggle, and they come back to me and say, I'm not able to finish the paper on time. There is the issue of the time management part. Can I complete the paper 20-30 minutes before the deadline? We can achieve that. So there are strategies how we can do and complete the NEET paper well within the time. Maybe you have last 20 minutes sitting doing nothing. Another aspect, which is a lot of students, even brilliant students who are very, very good actually academically and all are struggling, is a negative marking. Negative marking is a major problem. The correct answer gives you 4 marks. The wrong answer will give -1. So every wrong answer will pull you by 5 marks almost. You lost opportunity to get 4 marks and 1 marks. Now this is going to be very, very critical. None of the coaching industries really tell you what are the strategies. We have the students in the past with not a single negative marking. Can we achieve that? This is the strategy workshop. This is the workshop I'm conducting physically in Pune on again 9th of April 2024 from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. So I will be giving you all the strategies to crack this 3 hours, 20 minutes examination. And then I'll give you one mock paper whereby we can implement those strategies. I do conduct also the online workshop, but the physical workshop will give you additional benefit because I can give you the mock test, and this mock test will be then you can, whatever strategy I tell, you can really see how you can complete the paper 15, 20 or half an hour before without having the negative marking. So you have a lot of time because your examination is in the first week of May. Whatever I tell, you can take the strategy. So when we are giving, you may be going to coaching industry or anywhere you are taking the mock test, you can see the implementation of the strategy so that when you go, and I have seen students improving their marks by 10%, 20%, 30%. One of the student has got up to even 40% increase in marks. Every mark in a NEET is important. On every mark, thousands and thousands of students are there. So NEET strategy workshop is going to be most critical component. We are highly subsidized this part of it because this is one of the unique strategy workshop I have not seen anybody in India has been conducting. I have the experience of more than 30 years now, really addressing the examination related strategies on different types of examinations which are there into that part. Even JEE Mains, JEE Advanced and all, I guide the students whereby whatever you have studied, now it is the time at the 3 hours you implement, you peacefully do your paper without any time pressure, without anything. When you do with the cool mind, your chances of correct answer also increases. If you do rush hours and you do the panicky mode, your chances of getting the negative marks also or the questions going wrong also increases. So this is a very, very critical. Please do join on the strategy workshops on 9th April 2024. It is a holiday. We have Gudi Padwa here. Please do join. We will be giving you the lunch also. Everything will take care of it. Don't worry about that component. So 11 to 5, almost a 6 hours. If you give me, I can assure you, if you implement the strategies, what I'm telling, you will get a great benefit out. Thank you very much. These are my links which you can see. You can register on the links, and let's really have a good session and let's meet in person. Thank you very much.